One, two, three, four. Okay, guys, in this video, we're gonna use Megascan assets with PBG. So the results are astonishing. So stuck with us to the end of the video to make these beautiful buildings with PBG. Let's go with it. So PBG is a great tool, and we are using the Quixel Bridge Megascans, and these comes with the pretty cool buildings assets that you can use in your PBG prefabs. So I already downloaded most of the things I need, and feel free to go and select the building which are cool and start to download them before going with this video. So Megascan comes with a tremendous cool meshes that you can use, and it comes mostly with kits. So go download the kits, and you have different kits for your needs. You have building for the floors, kits for the floors, kits for the basement, for the base, and kits for the windows. So choose the kind of building you want to do, kind of prefab you want to construct, and then download all and export all you need to your PBG project. So I already done that. So I just started with some cool meshes, but make sure that you have to prepare the meshes for PBG, because PBG comes with some prerequisites, and these are described in the link in the video I already made for you, and you can go to this video before coming to this one. And just in this video I describe how to prepare your Megascan wall to use with PBG. So I already done that. Go check the video and go back to this one. So I will use the prefab we used in the last video, where we make your own materials for your prefab. And from this one, I'm gonna try to make a new one, but this time using the walls that comes from Megascan. So first thing, go to your prefab. The last time, if you already try with me, you can see that I already have my prefabs right here in my project. And the last one I used is the prefab 2. So grab this one to right here, and we can go start from here to work to include our Megascan walls in our project. So this is it. So before continuing, remember to duplicate your prefab. This is important if you want to have the same result and keep the old prefab. Just duplicate this one, and then we go further. So the floor block manager comes with two members, two array, which will have all the properties needed for your building. So like I said, the first one is going to the base. So let me rename it base. And the second one is for the floor. Let's say first floor. Then we can go from there to our floor section. And in the floor section, we go to the floor segment. And this is where you found all the properties needed to your building. So what we're gonna do is make the wall mesh. So this is where that comes with a variety of options. So you have the option to change your corner, change your the left corner, the right corner, the pillar manager. So like I said in my previous videos, PBG is very complex tool because it's a complete tool. You have to grasp each one another. So in this video, we're gonna concentrate on the wall, and this is what we're gonna do. So the fact that I am in the floor wall mesh for the first array, meaning index 0, this one means that I'm gonna change the base meshes. So that's what we are doing. So we're gonna get rid of the meshes that come with PBG and introduce the meshes that come from Megascan. This is the way to do it. So I will remove all the elements, and you can see that my base disappear. Don't worry. We go back to the floor wall mesh and add the new ones. So I add 1, 2, 3. Let's say 3 walls. So the next step is, like I said, you must have your meshes already prepared. And you can see that I already prepared these ones. So they are PBG compliant. Make sure to watch the video. And what I will do, going back to my prefab, on the wall mesh, put my, see, I will put them here first and put the second wall right here and put the third wall right here. So the last one is not compliant. You can see it's not okay. So I will remove this one. Next time, make sure it's compliant. So you already see the changes made on our prefab, and you can see that we already have the one modified for your base. So same way, we go to the floor wall mesh, but this time on the second array, which is same floor index. Go to the floor segment. We have 2 segments, and in the floor wall mesh, same thing. You can see this one is for the floor, so we have windows, and we're gonna remove all the elements and put the one that comes from Megascan. So let me choose some that already good. I'm not sure that I already want, but I think I already have some here that which are compliant with PBG. So maybe I can use them. So no, this one are not ready. So I'm gonna choose the one that are ready for PBG, which I remember were in meshes import. This is where I can find my meshes. There it is. Let me use this one. So you can see they are ready, and put them right here, and see that we already have the changes made in our prefab. So same way, make sure that you have different wall meshes, so you can have different aspect of your building. The last one, there it is. Okay, so that's it. You can see that I already have a prefab which is personalized and customized to use the meshes that come from Megascan. So the next step is making sure that you make the copy paste back to your prefab, and you have your own building which is ready and which is using Megascan. So in the next videos, we're gonna go for the next steps to make the building more suitable to your taste and your needs. So we're gonna put the corner, put the roof wall mesh, and continue with other aspects of PBG. So that's it for the video. And by the way, thanks to all the newcomers, the new subscribers to our channel. It's a really pleasure to have you in our channel. And make sure that for the new ones that watching my videos to subscribe to the channel, and it really helps our channel to grow up and continue. So I make videos each week, and I try to my best to do the best content for this channel. So bye for now, and see you in my next videos.